New to my channel? Hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon for my latest video updates. Hi there car enthusiasts, it's your boy DCS, the Hot Wheels fanboy right here. So, today, as you guessed it right, it's the real versus the fake Hot Wheels, guys. Okay, to all the new people who are watching this video, hit that subscribe button down there. And don't worry, I'll get to the point of the comparison. But before that, if you guys haven't watched my previous video, that was, yes, about this car right here, the SLS, the Mercedes-Benz SLS, guys, of the Majorette. Check it out, it'll be in the screen right here on top. The unboxing video of it, guys. So yeah, and of course I just want to tell one more thing, guys. The quiz period has already ended, the quick quiz which I actually posted a long time ago for the giveaway thing. Yeah, that has ended, guys, and sadly nobody won the prize, but don't worry, I'll be getting the giveaways again, so stay tuned for that, guys. And also, now talking about the Camaros. So yeah, you guys all already know that this is the real one and this is the fake Hot Wheels. So yeah, before getting into the comparison, first I want to tell you that this, if you want to find this car, the code is right here, FJV49. Yes, if you want to find that on Google. And this one's just the fake Hot Wheels. So let's begin with the comparison, guys. Here we go. And just one more thing, guys, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, just do check out my Instagram account, because I'll be posting all the images of these Hot Wheels if you want to check it out in detail, and also follow me on Facebook too. So now going for the comparison. Okay, so first let's talk about its details, guys, of both of the cars right here. Oh, I totally forgot to introduce these cars. So first thing, this is the 2018 Camaro SS, guys. Yes, the Chevy Camaro SS. This is the 50th anniversary edition one, and it's a pretty cool one, guys. So first, let's see the real Hot Wheels. So this is how it looks. It has a proper bumper lip right here and side skirts too. The detailings on this car is pretty nice. It has the light carve-outs, proper light carve-outs, and has those stripes on the body, like at the back and at the front. And at the back, this is how it looks. Well, yeah, guys, that's the round look of this car in terms of detailing. So let's take a look at this one, guys. Alright, so this is totally out of the detailing thing. It doesn't even have a proper door handle, forget the side skirts. Well, this is how it looks at the back, and yes, that way you can identify which is a real and which is a fake Hot Wheel. And even the exhaust is not so nice, it's just put there. So yeah, guys, that's the round look of this car too. That's the detailings this car has, but I do like the wheels right here. That's pretty nice. Alright, so now let's go on for the next one, guys. Now let's look at its quality, guys. So yeah, as you guys know, if you have watched my previous comparisons, the Hot Wheels are damn pretty hard. Like the metal on this is really hard, and you know, if this falls on your leg, it will be really painful. But this one's not so good because it's really flimsy, as you guys can hear the sound. Yeah, the metal quality on this is not so good. It almost is similar to the Metal Cruiser cars, but this is even more worse. So yeah, guys, that way you can find out the quality of these two cars right here. Even the wheels, guys, like the wheels are pretty wobbly, if you guys can look at it. Yeah, it's really wobbly. But if you look at the Hot Wheels one, yeah, that's pretty smooth and it's really good. And in terms of weight also, yeah, talking about the weight, I totally forgot about it. Let's just move on for the weight now, guys. Let's compare these two cars' weights. Here it comes. On to the weight, guys. So looking at the real Hot Wheel right here, it weighs about 34 grams, which is pretty decent, I guess. And now looking at the fake Hot Wheels, yes, only 20 grams. So that is the difference, guys, and you can get to know that how heavy the metal is in the Hot Wheels and how less it is in the fake one. So that's the difference, guys. Moving on to the next. Well, that was the weight, guys, and now let's talk about its missing parts. Okay, so here comes the major part of the comparison. So yeah, it's missing parts. So first, let's look at the Hot Wheel. Okay, so yeah, taking a look at the Hot Wheel, here you can see that it has a proper interior. Wait, just give me a sec. Yeah, it has a really good interior, and as I told you, it does have that front lip right here, and many other stuff, but it still misses the side view mirrors, so okay, that's a disappointment. And now guys, let's talk about this one right here. Okay, so this, yes, it misses the interior. That's first thing first. Yeah, it misses the interior, and the front lip's not there. It has no side skirts. There's no door handle. I don't think that even the door is there. So yeah, this is how it looks at the back. I don't know, what is this, a NASCAR? Cause yeah, they don't have much detailings on them too. So yeah guys, that's the fake Hot Wheels for you. And this is how it looks at the bottom. Yes, you have made in China in there. You'll get to know about that. So yeah, at the bottom over here you have the proper Hot Wheels logo. Yeah, over here. So that's pretty much in the missing parts, guys. So let's move on to the next one. We've talked about the detailings, the quality, the weight, and the missing parts, guys. Now it's time for the overall ups and downs of both of these cars right here. So first, talking about the Hot Wheel, yes, it has a pretty good quality and it has a really nice build. The detailings on this is really nice. Love the paint job also, and the interior is nicely detailed too, but it does miss the side view mirrors, so I'm quite disappointed about that. And if you go for this one right here, yes, the fake Hot Wheels, yeah, it has a lot of downs. First things first, it has no detailings, there's no proper side skirts, the body looks flimsy, and it has a really weak mel. The wheels are wobbly, that's not so good either. But the only thing which is good in this, as I told you earlier, it's that you can remove the body. You can actually remove the body out and you can customize this body like without damaging the wheels or any other thing. Like it's just screws right here. Yeah, as I mentioned in the previous video, if you haven't watched that, check it out. Yeah, it just has screws, so you can just unscrew them and, you know, customize it. But in this, you guys know, rivets. So it's one big pain in, you know what I mean. So yeah guys, that's pretty much the ups and downs of these two cars right here. So yeah, the comparison has ended, guys. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and now you know which is the real Hot Wheel and which is the fake one. So yeah, do check that out and be careful when you're buying Hot Wheels now. So alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned for more, and if you want to see these cars in more detail, as I told you earlier, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, guys. There I'll be putting most of my well, you know, Hot Wheels photos and other stuff too. So yeah, that's the thing, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned for more of my content. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. Peace. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.